Let me begin the video with this. I was coming up the driveway. Hi, little turtle. It is a box turtle. Eastern box. What is going on with this focus? Yeah, it's a nice little box turtle. It's pretty. My focus is messed up. Hang on. Is that better? Woo! There you go. It cleared up. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna put you down so you can go before you bite me. Off he goes. Okay, more in a minute. Alright, guys. Welcome to the woods. We're on the very back side of my property. There's my neighbor on the back side. Almost to his lake, actually. Anyhow, I'm not trying to show off my property or anything. I'm actually out here squirrel hunting, which a lot of people have an issue with. And not in the video I just posted, but past ones and just people I've talked to in general. I'm on my wonderful 1980s four-wheeler with my ugly gun again. Yeah, I love this four-wheeler though. Runs great. Does what I need to. Anyhow, I'm out here squirrel hunting, and a lot of people are always like, "Oh, why would you kill a squirrel?" To eat them, by the way. And a lot of people are like, "Well, I can't believe you would do that just to eat a squirrel." Like, what do you eat for supper? Like, do you eat steak, chicken, lamb, pork? Let me tell you something. All those things had to be killed. I'm very, very sure they were not butchered alive. And if they were, that's even worse. But they're dead now. If you're eating meat, it was living at some point. The only difference is those people can feel better about themselves because they went to the store and bought it. They didn't have to see the process. And I think that's what most people are offended by on my videos, where I show me cleaning them. But that process happens with every animal. It's a little more factorized, and it's done professionally in a big area that's more sanitary, and the FDA checks it. Let me tell you something about FDA checks, though. I have never gotten sick from eating wild game. Never had it recalled on me. Not once. Now, that might be me being a little bit of a smartass, but I'm serious. All these people are all offended that I shoot things. Okay, have you ever seen how they put down a cow, for instance? It's called a pin gun. It's usually air-powered, and it shoots a bolt, a big steel bolt, long one, down into its brain. They stick it there, and they pull the trigger, just like shooting. Bang! And it goes in the cow's brain, and it kills it, or pig, or whatever. And then they hang it up, and they cut its throat to bleed it out, and then they skin it, and gut it, and do all the same things I did. Yeah, same process. So by being offended that you saw me kill a squirrel, I'm just the guy that prepares the food. Same guy, you're mad at me. You should still be mad at the people that killed the cow that you're eating for dinner, or chicken. Actually, chickens are a lot worse. They usually cut their heads off. It's horrifying. You lop their head off and they flop everywhere. It's really messy. Yeah, that's same thing. I come out, I get squirrels because I don't have wild chickens. I mean, if I see some wild chickens running around here, that's cool too. I do have chickens, but I don't eat my chickens. I let them lay eggs. They're more effective that way. Chickens are kind of expensive, but they make a lot of eggs. But see, there's no wild chickens out here. And if there were, I would eat them as well. But I deer hunt, and I eat them. I'm not a trophy hunter. I don't go out and find a deer with the biggest antlers, and I don't hunt him. I look for what I'm going to eat. Yeah, I eat squirrels. I've eaten possums. I've eaten about anything you could think of, actually. Don't eat beavers. They're nasty. Some people say they like them, but that thing is gross. Tastes like mud. Yeah, so I come out here, and it's not like I have these caged animals that I just walk up and shoot. I have to come look for them. They have a fair chance. I mean, yeah, it's a little unfair. I have a rifle. But I have to be able to hit a target that big running through these trees. I have to hope that he stops and that I can hit him without... If you hit a little limb, one of these little twigs out here, If I were to hit that with my bullet will go wink and it'll shoot off to the side. And that just has to do with firearms. But this isn't like I'm just going out and killing the squirrels in the local park that are used to people feeding them. These things run from me. There's a reason none of them are out right now. They heard the four-wheeler, and I'm talking. So I will come out here. Same with the deer. The deer are not used to me. They run. I come out, and I sit up in this stand, or another one that I have. I climb all the way up there, and I sit up there. I don't have bait. This isn't a baited area. I just know where the deer run. These trails. They like the easy trails. So do I. They'll come up through here, or they'll come up from down there. And then I shoot them. It's very quick. Sounds brutal, but it's very fast. It's not like I jump down and tie it up and torture it or anything. It's not in a cage. There's no cages here. And then I go home and I butcher the animal. And just because that's gross looking, that bothers some people. It doesn't bother me. I'm very interested in butchering. Go to your local butcher shop. Yell at him. He's doing the same thing. You just don't see the fur. Same process. And you know what? It's so nice out here. And I'm not going to knock down the squirrel population by killing... I only kill like 5 squirrels a year. I mean, come on. There's lots of squirrels out here. You don't hurt the population. In fact, hunting, they put the money back in... You have to buy hunting licenses and permits and all this. Yeah, they put that money back into the DNR programs, which then do all the science behind managing deer populations. And our populations have grown exponentially as a resource. And now they're actually overpopulated because of conservation. And it really helps. It really does. I don't turkey hunt, by the way. I don't like messing with feathers normally. Turkeys, I don't like turkey that much. But yeah, this is where I come to get some food. I just don't go to the store. Are you going to be mad at me because I grow vegetables in my garden as well? I cut them up. Yeah. Take my knife and I eat the corn. I really do. Boil it live. Now, I'm a little mad because I just keep hearing all this crap from people. I get it. You don't want to see the blood. I put big warnings on there. It says, warning, extremely graphic content. Images may be disturbing, all that. That probably means if you don't like blood, guts, gore, fur, don't watch it. You're not going to like it. All right. That's all I got for right now. I'm going to go hunting and hopefully get some squirrels. And hopefully I have all my fish and my squirrel thawing out at home. And I'm going to make some beer batter and we're going to cook it up for supper and it's going to be wonderful. And the same people that hate the skinning process are going to love to see me eat it. So we'll figure that out later. All right, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you later.